Once you log into EBSCOhost, you will be directed to an advanced search page. Before you do your search, check out the other EBSCO databases available to add to your search. Depending on your topic, you may want to add additional databases that focus in your specific subject area. Back to the search. The databases do not like natural language like questions or sentences, so make sure to use concise terms or phrases to describe your topic. For example, if you're researching how social media can affect a person's mental health, you might want to break that into the keywords of social media and mental health. Click on all fields to search specific fields such as title, author, subject, and more, but for now, let's keep this a keyword search and leave the all fields area as is. We got thousands of results, but likely only a handful of these will actually be relevant to our specific research needs. Let's narrow this down to something more manageable and useful by using the filters located under the search box. Right now we have peer review selected, which means that all the articles listed below are peer-reviewed scholarly articles. In other words, written by and reviewed by scholars and experts in the field. While some professors will require these, others will not. You can keep this selected or remove it, which will expand the search to include popular magazines, newspapers, and more. You can use the source type filter to limit your search to the specific resource types you're interested in. Filter your search by date by using the all-time box. Most professors want you to stay within the past 5 to 10 years to ensure your research is current and not out of date. For a topic like social media and mental health, let's limit our search to the past 5 years. Browse all filters to limit your search even more. The subject thesaurus search will filter your search using subject terms, keywords which are recognized by the database and used to describe each article. The subject terms filter also lets you search by subject, but these terms are generally assigned by the author and are not necessarily recognized by the database's assigned subject terms. Either way, both of these offer additional keywords that can help you develop additional searches and find articles relevant to your research topic. So they're a great way to browse and can narrow down your search. If your results list is still quite large, consider adding an additional keyword. Adding "and body image" as a keyword narrowed my results down to a manageable list of 23 results. To sort through these, look under each result for additional information, such as the abstract, a short summary of the article, the subject terms, which describe the main subjects of each article, and click on Access Options to go directly to the article. Click on the title for item details and additional tools. Need to cite your sources? Look for the quotation mark icon. Want to share or email yourself the article? Look for the arrow icon. You'll also see additional ways to save, such as download or saving to your MyEBSCO account. Please note, if saving to your MyEBSCO account, you'll have to create an account first. Click on the MyEBSCO link to create an account and have access to additional tools like syncing with the mobile app, creating project folders to keep your research organized, and saving searches. Hope this was helpful. Make sure to check out our other videos and research guides, and if you have any more questions, ask a librarian. We're here to help.